Comprehensive review and analysis of cryptography techniques in cloud computing. Abstract. Cloud computing is a fast-growing industry that offers various online services, including software, computing resources, and databases. Its payment model is usage-based, whereas consistency is based on resource sharing. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is a home page which is opened after run your code. It is about page which is telling about your project. Here user can log in into website by entering their credentials. Here user can register into website by entering their details. This is a home page which is opened after user login. This is a page where user can upload their files. Here user can view all files and he can make a file request to other users. Here users can view the file requests and decrypt the files. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.